Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Today we are going to read chapter number 7, Fair Play. So everyone will repeat after me and we will together recite this story. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chapter 7, Fair Play.
Chapter 7, Fair Play.
Before you read,
Has
your best friend ever done
your best friend ever done
something you thought was wrong?
something you thought was wrong?
What did you do then?
What did you do then?
Did you keep quiet
Did you keep quiet?
or did you tell your friend what you thought?
Or did you tell your friend what you thought?
Read this story about two friends
Read this story about two friends
who had to decide
who had to decide
what was more important,
what was more important,
friendship and enmity,
friendship and enmity,
or a sense of what is right and what is wrong.
or the sense of what is right and what is wrong.
Part 1.
Part 1.
Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends.
Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends.
So strong was their bond of friendship
So strong was their bond of friendship
that when either of them went away from the village,
went away from the village.
the other looked after his family.
The other looked after his family.
Both were greatly respected in the village.
Both were greatly respected in the village.
Jumman had an old aunt
Jumman had an old aunt
who had some property.
who had some property.
This she transferred to him on the understanding
This he transferred to him on understanding
that she would stay with him
that she would stay with him
and he would look after her.
and he would look after her.
The arrangement worked well for a couple of years.
The arrangement worked well over a couple of years.
Then the situation changed.
Then the situation changed.
Jumman and his family
Jumman and his family
were tired of the old relative.
were tired of the old relative.
Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife.
Jumman became indifferent to her as his wife,
Who grudged even the little food
who grudged even the little fruit
that the old lady wanted every day.
that the old lady wanted every day.
She swallowed these insults
She swallowed these insults
along with her food for a few months.
along with her food for a few months.
But patience has its limits.
But patience had limits.
One day she spoke to Jumman,
One day she spoke to Jumman,
"My son,
my son,
it is now obvious that
it is now obvious that
I am not wanted in your house.
I am not wanted in your house.
Kindly give me a monthly allowance
Kindly give me a monthly allowance
so that I can set up a separate kitchen.
so that I can set up a separate kitchen.
My wife knows best how to run the house.
My wife knows best how to run the house.
Be patient,"
Be patient,
said Jumman shamelessly.
said Jumman shamelessly.
This made his aunt very angry,
This made his aunt very angry,
and she decided to take her case
and she decided to take her case
to the village panchayat.
to the village panchayat.
Many days,
For many days,
the old lady was seen talking to the villagers,
the old lady was seen talking to the villagers,
explaining her case and seeking their support.
explaining her case and seeking their support.
Some sympathized with her,
Some sympathized with her,
others laughed at her,
others laughed at her,
and a few others advised her to
and a few others advised her to
make it up with her nephew and his wife.
make it up with her nephew and his wife.
At last she came to Algu Chaudhary
At last she came to Algu Chaudhary
and spoke to him.
and spoke to him.
You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said. Algu didn't reply. But her words kept ringing in his ears. Part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Jumman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jumman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch. And his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Jumman, said Algu. You and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a Panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Now, the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them
The bond of friendship between them
was broken.
was broken.
In fact, Jumman was Algu's enemy
Juman was Algu's enemy
and wanted his revenge.
and wanted his revenge.
Part third. Days passed and,
Bastard,
as ill luck would have it,
and little luck would have it.
Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot.
Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot.
One of his fine pair of blocks died,
One of his five pair of light,
and he sold the other to Samjhu Sahu,
and he sold the other Sanju Sahu,
a car driver of the village.
a cab driver of a village.
The understanding was that
The understanding was that
Sahu would pay the price of the block
Sahu would pay the price of the bullock
in a month's time.
in a month's time.
It so happened that the block died within a month.
The block died within a month.
Several months after the block's death,
Several months after the block's death,
Algu reminded Sahu of the money
Sahu of the money
he hadn't yet paid.
he hadn't yet paid.
Sahu got very annoyed.
Sahu got very annoyed.
I can't pay you a penny.
I can't pay your penny.
For the rest beast, you sold me. You brought us nothing but ruin. I have a block. Use it for a month. And then return it to me. No money for the dead block. He said angrily. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparations for holding the panchayat were made.
The panchayat were made.
And both the parties started meeting people
And both the participants started meeting people
seeking their support.
seeking their support.
The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree.
The panchayat was held under the banyan tree.
Algu stood up and said,
Algu stood up and said,
"The voice of the Panch is the voice of God.
the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God.
Let Sahu nominate the head Panch.
Let Sahu nominate the head Panch.
I will abide by his decision."
I will abide by his decision.
Sahu saw his chance
Sahu saw his chance
and proposed the name of Jumman.
and proposed to the name of Juman.
Algu's heart sank and he turned pale.
Algu heard sang and he returned pale.
But what could he do?
But what could you do?
The moment Jumman became head Panch,
The moment you made
he realized his responsibility as judge
he realized his responsibility as judge
and the dignity of his office.
and the dignity of his office.
Could he, seated in that high place,
Seated in that high place,
have his revenge now?
as his revenge now,
He thought and thought.
he thought and thought.
No. He must not allow his personal feelings
He must allow his personal feelings
to come in the way of speaking the truth
to come in the way of speaking the truth
and doing justice.
and doing justice.
Both Algu and Sahu started their cases.
Both Algu and Sahu started his justice.
They were cross-examined
They were cross-examined
and the case was considered deeply.
and the case of accessibility.
Then Juman stood up and announced,
Then Juman stood up and announced,
"It is our opinion
opinion
that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the block
that Sahu
when Sahu bought the block.
when Sahu brought the law,
It suffered from no disability or disease.
it suffered from no
The death of the block was unfortunate. But Algu cannot be blamed for it.
Cannot be blamed for it.
Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly, over and over again, victory to the panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a punch. A punch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. Algu impressed his friends and wept. And his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Written by Premchand.